Alright, so if you're doing the fender flares on the Jeep Wrangler JK and the JLs, and when you're doing the plastic rivets, the ones that go out here, and if you don't have the proper tools to do it, you know, you gotta wait to buy the gun, you gotta wait for it to get here. So we don't have time to do that, so found a different way of doing it. So check this out. So you pop it in, make sure it lines up in the back with the hole. So just make sure it has a hole through, and then you just pull the tip. Okay, and locked in. There you go. And just cut this with the razor. Alright, so this is gonna be from the back. It's kind of tough to get a video of it. So just cut it with the razor. So it's a small trick if you don't have the gun and don't want to wait a couple days to get it. So it works. So the ones I use, they have a hole like this, and as soon as you pull through, it just locks in and it pulls in the fender liner. And these are the clips from Amazon. They're not the best. They work, but if you could get dealer ones, get the dealer ones. They're plastic.